All right, hello everyone. Welcome back. What's going on here? Hey Dutch, hey Deshipu, hey Johnny. So there's the linky, there's the board, and let me plug it in. It was some time of debugging that I hey TMK. So let me plug it in. That's, do you see that? That's the MCU working, but it was really hard to make it work. Somehow GPIOC didn't want to properly I don't know, drive, enable, whatever. I'm not sure. Hey Sonic, hey Christian. I'm not sure if it's due to a power pin like VIO4, because PC is probably at VIO4, is called solder joint or not, might be, so not sure about that. And there is an issue with the reset circuit. So I found I had a really hard time to get it programmed. Took me hours actually. So I spared you a dreadful stream. And maybe a short recap what we're trying to do. This here, for the people who just joined or are rewatching, this here is an LED matrix, which is a test for this PCI Express to serial chip that's interfacing with this RISC-V chip that's driving the LEDs. So there is like a serial connection between those two. We had quite some issues with the last revision, which didn't work. RX and TX on PCI Express was swapped, and now it's correct and has even a ground plane, uninterrupted ground plane. And now I was trying to get the MCU running, and there is an issue with the MCU. Let me unplug it before I short it. It's a little bit more complicated. So this is the MCU, and we have the reset circuit, which is driven by the serial port RTS and DTR. And to be able to boot, I give you the solution to the problem. I was able to program it, but it wouldn't run. I had a hard time to, like, I programmed it, I was able to, I mean, after some trouble, because I think the reset pin was also an issue here. Reset, it's pulled up, but DTR is undetermined. It could be also pulled down. And this is basically what gave us trouble, since the linky is able to power cycle, and it has a where's the face here, and it has a 5 volt to 3.3 volt regulator to be able to supply 3.3 volt, and is able to switch this yeah, So it is able to power cycle, so there is a transistor, and the current it's able to supply is limiting. That was the first issue. So when the PCI Express thingy is active, which draws like 170 milliamps, the voltage drops to 2.4 volts. It's still barely able to program, but hey DHZ, it was able to program, but it wasn't good. So I disconnected the 0 ohm resistor that basically enables the serial chip. So here's the 0 ohm resistor. That enables the communication or whatever, which draws a lot of current. So I removed that, and now the issue is in some way it's working. So, and now the issue is the TX and RX signals might be floating. So that's what's happening. Also the RTS and DTR, which we are using to perform a reset, and also boot select and boot select. This doesn't matter. This only matters if boot is pulled up. And what happens if this is floating? It's pulled up and it ends up landing in the bootloader. So unfortunately I needed I removed the transistors here from that and bridged boot with a 10k ohm, bridged it to ground, and I removed also this one except for the reset. I pulled up with a resistor to 3.3 volts. So yeah, that's very unfortunate, but we might want to figure it out once we have programmed the MCU. Otherwise, if the device isn't connected to proper power supply, or it's not setting DTR and RTS correctly, then we won't be ever able to program this MCU externally from the Linky. Yeah, so that was the issues that I solved already. You can see I also added a small botch to the reset, but this isn't necessary, I believe. That was at some stage I thought it would be a good idea. And you can see there there are two footprints that are here. There is a resistor instead of the transistor, and this is the resistor network where I only use one resistor to pull up the reset, or not reset, whatever you like to call it. I was able to program it. Then I figured out, okay, we have no power on the pins on the C or at the C pins, and I tried and tried and tried. So I don't know why. At some point it started working, but I used manual configuration here, and I changed this one here, the first pin where the LED is connected to 2 megahertz, not 50 megahertz like it's set to all the other pins. I'm not sure which change make it work, but all of the sudden it works, and I might need to narrow that down, or we. Now, what we can do today is to test. I don't know how. It will be difficult, because I can't plug this in. I might need to remove the jumper, the connector on the back now, and add maybe some of those thin wires to be still able to interface it or whatever. But we would need to test the serial port, the serial connection. So we might want to check out. Hey, Wagon Loads, I missed that you are also here. So what hey, Konstantin. No, I don't have an extension cord. Konstantin, might be a good idea to have that. I mean, I can place the mini PC on the desk next to me, so that's easy, and access that. The only thing is, yeah, it won't physically fit because of the connector. Yeah, what else? I would say we can just take some implementation for the UART. Hey, Peter. So we might want to initialize UART and then make a loop that sends a string. What I would like to do though right now is assemble a new board with all the parts on there, including the LEDs. So people, we might want to, I don't know if you want to watch it, but I pasted already. Oh, I should be careful. I collected some parts, so we should have all parts here, almost, I believe. Where are the 1K resistors though? I just take the whole reel. There should be 1K here. Yeah, that's the 1K resistors. Okay, so I have all the components here, and we should be able to place the parts. Here we go. I might record a little bit meanwhile, but I think we should start. A CE marking. Yeah, I will take my tablet for. Why is it so nasty? I need a tissue to clean up my tablet a little bit. It's booting and booting and booting. Yeah, I want to put on the schematics so I can. Only zombies with C approve. I tried to clean up a little bit. I didn't succeed. But I found some components that might be useful. The 470 ohm ones. Wait, here is 470, and I think we have resistor letters. Since the LED isn't very bright, I will populate different resistor values there. 3, this is the LDO that was looking for quite long. Oh damn, the MCUs fell out the box. That's the 470, yeah. Okay, how do I do a screenshot? How do I see the resistor values? I might want to enable the silk screen here. So I just need come on, just footprints, no tracks, no pads. Okay, edit, does it work? No, edit doesn't work. Damn, that's shitty. Oh, that's 12K, yeah, that is also important. 100 and why doesn't it show? Wait. Text. Is this some... Oh, I put it on a different layer. Damn. And I think it's not... Wait. Okay, I can't do this. I need to have this interactively. So I will pick Eisler's thingy. That will help, I believe. Okay. That's the 12K that we need as a reference. Okay. All right, so we have that should help with the guide. All right, that's 1.2K. That's wrong. Wait, what is this? That doesn't work. 0.4.2 as that's. I think this is using a wrong version. Yeah. Yeah, that's using the wrong version for the assembly guide. Oh damn. I don't have the no. Okay, I give up. I will just figure it out as we go. Let's call it off. Yeah. So I will do the cramp things first. So wait. Oh, there is like not. I think the paste got stuck in the stencil since I didn't clean it up properly beforehand. Chip too big to be pulled up. That will need to rework anyway, so I don't really care. Hello. No, I don't think so. Okay, 100 nanofarads. Uh-oh, paste is already getting dry. Then we have this one here. Need to rotate. And we have 10 microfarads. Then we have the LDO. I think I can place that one first. The MCU just needs to be aligned. Okay. Then LDO. Oops. Then we need 0 ohms. Do we put the 0 ohms on yet? There we can. We will add some debugging stuff later. That's 1K. That's the 0 ohms, I believe. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Then we have more 100 nanofarads. That's here. That's the 12K. And I think that will be another 100 nanofarads for the... Is it? I hope so. find out. Okay. I'm quite familiar now with this stuff, so yeah, that was right. That's right. That's right. That's 201 to 100 nanofarads. Then we have 1K, 1K, and this is also 10K. 10K, 1K. Okay. Uh, 330 to 20. We need more. That's for the communication lines. Then the 10K. That's, oh wait, that's 470. This should be, one of those is 10K. Which one is it? That's 1K, that's 10K. Yeah. Okay. Now we have 1K ohms resistor. That's here. Here we go. 1K. Ah! Now it's flipped. I should have left it flipped. Oh, that's well aligned on its own. Okay. Now I will get you closer. Barfcam, don't look if you get dizzy quite quickly, because I will get the camera really close. And I need to change everything here. Okay. Oh, the HDMI. All right. Now we need plenty of plenty of pink LEDs, and I need to get rid of that extra plastic. And okay, some stray LEDs already bouncing around here. We get those here moved. Wait, I will put the pink on extra. Extra stand like that. So, and the strip, the plastic strip, can go this way around. All right. we are testing the device. We have one working example and now we need more. Okay, I will record this. So oops. Uh-oh. This one, I just remove it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah, this camera is so annoying here. So that was 12. Second row is already better. Yeah, there. The best part is I have the direction here and all are in the same direction here. So don't sneeze, yeah. They will stick though, so. Uh-oh, I hope that one aligns on its own. Okay, that was 3 columns already. And my SD card is full. Let me get some space on an SD card while we're sucking. What is this stuff here? 45 gigabytes, wait, and what is this? That's 63. Yeah. No, it's not, but especially it's called Pixel Pump, so it's for exactly for this purpose. Where is it? I'm looking for my project. Supercluster 2 video. Here we go. Okay, so that will shift the files while I continue working here, and it's getting hot in here. It's getting hot in here. By the way, I got the reference Stimpy and Ren. Isn't that cute? But it's wrong. Was it the reference to Stimpy and Ren? Yeah, you all don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, best show. Gross before it was cool. That was like 25 years ago, wasn't it? Cartoon Network. Now that that's not filming, I perform way better. Jinxed it. Uh-oh. Yeah, you can do it just taking the hose and sucking it with your mouth. That's what Mike was also doing or suggesting, I don't know. Someone suggested it before. That would be a typical thing. Just oh, microfilter. No, we want this Chinesium fumes. You can put you can put a capacitor, I mean a membrane in between, because you don't need like to suck it permanently. You just need to suck a little bit and then release again. So Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I should have taken two colored LEDs because we can, since this is not Charlie plex, we can reverse the current. The next one will be assembled and with neopixels. We can make this work and fix. We have only one fix that we need, that we know we need for sure, and that is on the DTR RTS side, some pull up, pull down, or I think pull down resistors. And we even have a spare resistor on the resistor array, so uh-oh, just throw it away. The LEDs, if they're like flipped or whatever, they're worth nothing to me. Might be worth like 1 cent or something, or 0.5 cent or per piece. But dropping one, trying to pick it up again, such a waste of time. I just don't care. We are almost halfway there, I guess. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the follow. Grounded black pepper. Nice. You will be dreaming. All the neighbors were using motorized chainsaw today, all day long. That was terrible. Going on my nerves. Wasn't smart enough to take. Yeah. Wait. Oh yeah, almost 2/3. Hello, who's there? Okay, short break. Need to copy more content. More. Graustreif, hello. Need to get more of the videos on my hard drive here. Oh, 9. Well, how much is it? 45 gigabytes. Carl will love this. There will be some editing. Few more rows and then we are done. That's how many? 6 more rows. Oh. Print? Or you print a lumen? Uh-oh. I might want the finale on camera, so I will just stop where it is. Oh yeah, the hard drives. Now I'm switching to hard drives that are silent. It's terrible. It's too loud. Yeah, it's possible with tweezers. It's just taking a day. With microscope you can see through the phosphor layer which direction they are pointing, so you don't even need to flip them upside down to check the direction. I will order them assembled at the next stage, like if this end up being a product, because I needed also some PCBs that were half assembled. Only with the necessary components to see what's the actual issue is. And it's so, if you order assembled from China, it's now like a hassle with, because way more expensive. And yeah, you pay taxes and everything, because Euro packet is only possible for PCBs if you order at JLC. And I think the ISLA assembly would take longer than 4 working days to deliver the PCBs to me. But the express fee on the PCBs was actually more expensive. You will probably set up. You will probably pay for some setup fees. That's why it's not worth to assemble only like few units, because non-common components will cost you each for the setup. Hey Casper. All right. Look at the strip. That now let's do the 470 networks. So not 10K this time. No, I mean 1K. Ah, come on. Okay. Uh-oh, I opened too much. Yeah, pick and place machine that I sold. Okay. This is actually more worth. Oh, it's sticking to the mat. Fuck. Okay. Just drop it here. Now we need 470. Where is it? 470 ohms. That's 300. Oh yeah, it's here. On this one. All right, that's it. Okay, now I can turn on the autofocus again, because that's annoying. Here we go. How long did it take in total to assemble that? Under an hour, 45 minutes. All right. I'm not sure if I want to keep the 0 ohms resistor there. We might. Yeah, I want to have it completely assembled. So, where's my hot plate? Here. I will zoom you out again. So barf cam enabled. Oh wait, no, you want to see it. Okay, I will take you a little bit higher. Higher and higher. Yeah, that's the big brother. What's the setting? Setting. Yeah, a little bit more. 180. Yeah, I have a really high shutter. Here we go. Speed run category, yeah. Oh no, blisters are alright. Blisters are alright. Okay. I should put on the exhaust fan here. But I don't want to mess with the light anymore. Where are my tweezers? Here. But actually there is not much happening here. Oh, moved it too far. Oh yeah, one cap here. That needs a little bump. But I think we are good. Wait a minute. Is it still liquid? I hope not. Boop! Alright. We can turn off the hot plate now. We can turn off hot plate now. Oh. Okay. Yeah, this will be very interesting. We have some solder blobs. A little bit of cleanup, especially the solder bridges here and the blobs. Otherwise, it is nice. And this time I kept all the pins clean. I hope I will still keep them with the soldering iron. Okay, let's switch the cameras, maybe in a second. because I will go microscope mode. Oh yeah, there's a lot of solder blocks. Maybe it needed a little bit more heat, not sure. Okay, it will be fine. Use Captain. Oh yes, that would be a good thing. I only need to find the Captain tape now. I will use this hyper dense wire, multi-strand wire to wick everything off. All right, now we're using the. Oh yeah, you were asking about my burn marks. Here. That. Here. It's a little bit glossy, but it's alright. Wasn't the worst. Okay. So this is just for the show. So we'll be able to see, there's something happening. bitluni is reworking. Yeah, it is. Oh, that's way easier today. Okay, now need to switch the cameras. Okay, now I will switch you to this camera. And I hope I also need to switch the card since everything is full here. Okay. Now let's rework a little bit. Ah, fool. Oh, what was that? A sub? Thank you. Or was it a follow? Oh, something's going on there. Thank you, peeps, for supporting the channel. The pink LED font is growing. Oh, what is this? I have quite some extra stuff on my tip. Let me press it off. quite some bridges here. And now I will wick off using just this wire here. That's not actual wick, but it's good enough. Look at that. And it's easier to hold. Here, no short anymore. Now this one, and we're yeah, it's unfortunately I would need to crop in somehow. Yeah, more flux. Okay, this one was under soldered here. Oh wait, is there a bridge? I need to put some solder over here. Oh. Is there TTS missing? Someone's sorry. Yeah, no need to like pay. This is completely free content. More or less. If you see ads, I'm sorry. Yeah, there is a lot of extra. What? I can't see who followed or subbed or whatever. I don't have a screen here. Oh, my multi-strand wires already a little bit messy. Let me clean that by just cutting it. Oh, bloop! Here we go. Fresh wire. More flux. Fresh wire. Yeah, the TTS is very helpful for me when I'm working on the other table, on my workbench here. Oi. More flux. Ugh. I'm almost out of flux. also my hair is falling in front of my eyes and I can see through the microscope. Ah! Come on, stop. Can transfer some of that soda over here. This cap looks malnourished here. Yeah. That's just a wire. Multi-strand wire. One of the silicone multi-strand. They are very thin. It works quite well usually. Here we go. Probably not as effective as wick, but also working and as a cheap replacement. Life hack. Yeah. I got. Just touching up a little bit. Touched again. Hey, this doesn't look like it's completely submerged. Yeah. Oh. Now it's reflown. It looked a little bit. Oh, okay. Let's take a look over here. Yeah. Cold solder joint. Cold solder joint. Yeah. Now a short on a large quad flat. Let me check. Okay, let me check the LEDs. My pattern recognition didn't see. Oh, yeah, here. But that might be. Here, this may be. It's alright. Okay, where did you see the shot on that? Oh, yeah, there. More fake wick needed. There, that was quick. I call it the quick wick. Need to cover those pin a little bit. Alright. We will give it a wash and then check if there is something in between here. Otherwise, I think we are good. Yeah, yeah. Now, all right. So now let's put it in the ultrasonic cleaner. the reworking worked like 50%, needed 50% of the time. I get my hands washed and be back in a second. Yes, delicious. Now I need to catch up. What happened here? Let me check. We have Hairwear follow, thank you. Henrik, thank you for the follow. Follower goal reach 850. Shupam followed, thank you. And that was it. All right. Now, this won't work right away. 40 watching, what? Okay, the 40 people that are watching, they want to see the blink, and they will see quite soon. This is the blink. There is the blink. This is the half assembled board with some debugging. And we will need some debugging also on the other board. I hope we will be able to I will add some wires for programming, so we will be able to program it maybe while it's plugged in. I don't know. What? Okay, I need more of those here. Those mini clamps. Because if I put on, it can be, but we never tried. We can try it though. We can try it. It will be, we don't have the code yet to do so. Because we need a certain reset sequence for that. RTS DTR. We can do it manually maybe with some serial console or something. Rota is missing. Okay. Okay. I think board needs another minute for the cleanup. Rota might be lurking. Yeah. I check if I have more of those probes, so we might be able to hook up. They should be here though. Micro probes. Where are they? Wire probes, here we go. Yes! Found some here. That will help. I have even colorful ones. Nice. Where did I get them from? Probably some shopping spree on Ali. Okay, you are curious to check the standing on the chair. Check the board. Switching. Whoop! Wrong. Do 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 do. Dun dun. Maybe I can zoom in like that because ARP. Be able to see more. Not that you are seeing much right now. Hey, isolation games! Hello! Whoop! We are almost there. Here's some sharpness for you. All right. That actually looks clean. That one is close, but all right. This is actually looking so nice. I love it. This is a little bit... Oh, this one is upside down. Alright. I need to record that. That's cool. I love it. I love the cleanliness, and I hope I put them the right way around. This one is a little bit off center. Negative resistance, yeah, upside down. And let's zoom in. Enhance. Enhance. They're not touching. There are. That's the Australian version here. Here, I give you more light. Shine more light. They are not touching. They are not touching. I zoom in even more just for you and give you some sharpness. Here. It's not touching. And let's check the pins. When we have to rework this anyway, so on the occasion. The voltage will make them touch. Unleaded solder will bridge itself. Okay. Now we will check the QFN on the side. So here we go. That's the M scope, whatever. Stereoscopic with extra tube for extra. There is a bridge where. Wait. Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh no. Yeah. There. Thanks for pointing that out. So we would need to rework this. Look at this. This is my tweezers. This is like this 0.5 millimeter pin pitch. Okay, do we have other ones? Should it be there? Yeah, I can check, but I don't think so. Yeah, it's lifted a little bit. I should have pressed more. Now, I need to move up the microscope. Yeah. I don't like this side though. I will rework this one. Okay. Let's rework that. Yeah. And then why we are reworking this side. So here's the short. I believe it was there. Yeah. We will also do the other one. Now it's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Okay, that one is fixed. And then I wanted to rework this side because that looks a little bit like it. Oh. It looks like it's a little bit cold. I don't want cold solder joints and then wondering why I don't have any pin power. Yeah, we'll rework this a little bit. Sorry that I can't take care of the focus while doing so. I will update you as soon as possible. And the cap is quite close here. Oh damn. We are really out of focus here. light is hindering me. Can't get there. The cap is too close. I try from this side. Yeah. Okay. You really need to make sure this QFN is soldered properly. We have already problems programming it, we don't need like extra problems. Stacking problems are the worst. Ah, some ground lines, huh? Okay, that's fine. That's looking good now. I believe at least. Might want to. I think this pin would deserve a little bit more attention. Yeah. I must admit, I really like the Isla boards here. And that has nothing to do with the fact that they are sponsored. Yeah. I would need to embezzle some of the pink LED font money for that. Sorry. We also need some flux to solder pink LEDs. I can't get in there. This is like a pointy tip already. How do I get there? Okay, got it. Brown? You're asking the wrong guy. I'm colorblind. I still think this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I shorted this one? Okay. Yeah, here. Yeah, I'm not. That's probably because the green is semi-transparent and then you have gold plated underneath it, and green plus gold . Now it's bridged. Can't get in there though. Waiting. Just want to get sure everything is alright there. I think they are all connected. I'm just overly cautious not to have problems again. Okay, let's rework that cap here. Whoopsala. Flux. I'm preheating the bath already, so we can ultrasonic it. Come on, come on. Put. No! This cap is very... Okay. Squeezes. Yeah. So the budget version of that with gold plating is 20 bucks shipped. At least if you are within Europe, you get free shipping. It might take like one and a half weeks, but like a set of boards, 3 boards with okay. Set of boards with unique finish. Oh, come on. Okay, here we go. And for this PC card, edge board, I really want unique finish. Okay, I think it's done. Reworked again. I hope no short. Ultrasonic clean again. Oh. Hey, Green! Hey, man. What's your current project? I think 280, 290, but this is only low temp solder. Yes, CH382 is the first chip that I noticed is 0.4 millimeter pin pitch. With there is no way you can put this. Yeah, it's low temp. I'm just not. I mean, I have already burn marks from Wednesday. I really don't want to mess around with other ones. Shall we plug it in the PC and see if it's booting up the board before we continue? Let me just set up everything. Smoke test. Will smoke for sure. Where's the stand? Blink? Yeah, we have already blinked pink LED, so that should be still good. I mean, I can't program it, we need to plug it in and try to program it over serial. Okay, I think this one will be good. Switching cameras, pop. Okay, that's fancy. All right. A quick sanity check, and no rickroll on this matrix. This will be plain and boring. Okay. Certainly don't want the PCI Express chip to be shorted anywhere. Yes, that's bad apple. I think there will be only text. Oh yeah, let's break it from the frame. You will be live witnessing removing it from the frame. Here we go. Easy peasy. How? Bloop. Here we go. Done. Some mouse bites left, but I don't want to mess around with that right now. No silk screen. Nowhere. Alright. Let's plug it in and find out. Fuck around and find out. With embedded Rust? No. What? Where? Where did you see the short? Ah! Almost dropped my camera. Crotch can. Sorry. Coca-Cola? What? Pin 1 and 2 again? Pin 1 and 2 from what? Which one? QFN? QFN or the other one? The S sub. Which one? This one or this one? Which one has a short? I can check again. Left chip, okay. Okay. Oh shit. That was the breaking of the. I should get a different method of breaking the tabs off, because that puts some stress on my board. Oh, there is no short. There is only like dust and stuff, so there is no short. We'll see. All right. We plug in the screen. Change the screwdriver. What did I change? Oh. We just plug it in and see what happens. Nice. All right. Okay. Here. Let's turn it on and find out. Screen. I think I need to. All right. I will grab my phone. Oh. Okay, wait. Wait. Fuck. OBS is so annoying. Transform. Fit the screen. Here we go. Okay. Okay. It's getting warm but not very hot or anything. Where's the mini keyboard? Here. Let me get the thermal camera, but it looks fine. I can't smell anything though. Um, 68 degree for 68 for the LDO. I don't know if this is Windows 11. 68, and yeah, that chip is also getting warm, but no, it's an actual Windows PC, x86. Okay, here we go. WCH, yes! Oh, wait! Now I need to scale down the shutter. Wait, I will do it like that. Here, now you can see. People, this is WCH PCIe script serial 5 and serial 6. It's detected and worky. Okay, now let's check if it's functional. Device is working properly. Yes! Yes! Okay, we can now reliably assemble some of those. Okay, now we need to program it. I have no clue. Wait. We can do as follows. I will unplug this. Plug it in here. And now we are grabbing it directly from the device. I can just work here. Oh, it's updating. But I can't see, it's so small. Okay. So what's the serial device? Huh? Why doesn't my mouse work anymore? Oh, here we go. My fingers are too dry for this. What do we don't leak your Oh no, web serial is only local. So we need like what thing will we use for like serial terminal? Which one is good? Like open source? Oh no. Not putty, because we need like to toggle the flags. Putty has no like TO? What is TO? TI? Oh. Real term? Real term? Okay. Cool term? Holy flame? Okay, I mean this is SourceForge. Terra term? Aye. Is this downloading? I can't tell. I don't accept. I just want to download. Nope. Did it download? Terra. Okay. TO, but TO is not enough information. Okay, TerraTerm seems to be at least easier to download. Wait, what? Do I need to recompile my kernel? Python? Nah, I will decide if the source code was written in space with spaces or tabs. A real term, honestly. Yeah, oh fuck! I can't use this mouse. Is this, does it need to recharge here? I think this device needs a recharge. Damn. Oh no. Japan term. Thank you. Thank you, man. Okay, this is recharging now. I can't do. I need to wait. Okay. Ah! What happened? Did I download finally or not? I can't, Christian, I can't click the link because I'm on the other PC. What the fuck? Where is it? Now it's downloading. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. I used real-time before. So I need a smaller resolution. I can't see shit. Wait. Windows D. Let's arc. Huh? I just want. Huh? Okay, that must be Windows 11 because where's my display settings? Yeah, I try right click, but there is display settings. Ah, I looked like on Windows 10 it's, sorry. Can't see shit on. I clicked it. Oh, dude, what is this? Resolution. I don't like it. I don't like changes. Where is the resolution? Display resolution here. Maybe we should do. Here we go. Boom! Ha! Now we're talking. I like that this change here. Okay, I keep that. Now we can fit this in our. We have now more of a 3:4 thing that we can fit on the screen. Here we go. Nice. And it didn't blow up yet, so that's nice. What's this? Is this real term? Yes. Port. Wow. You're kidding me. Give me this. Port 5. What ports do we have? Yes! Open. And now. Damn. Alright, alright. How do I test it? I mean, no, we need hit change. RTS, wait. So ring RTS. Oh, damn it. Transmit RTS set clear. we can do that. Set clear. We can, okay, let's check. Let's check our nodes. The problem is we don't have the programming code yet. But we have, I hope it doesn't overheat. I mean, I will keep it there, but okay, we need this. We need this. We need this. That's, I will clone that, fork it. Do I fork it? Branches, no. How do I fork code? Fork. Fork. Main branch. Okay, nice. Now I will clone it. New window. How do I do it? Clone Git repository from GitHub. Fuzzy. All right. Don't want to show all my files though. Be back in a second. Supercluster code. Do I need to create a subfolder for that? Okay. Hey, Z80. Okay. Huh? Transceiver, okay. let's test it. This is of course locally, so it's not connected to the device. This is the one. Then we would need option bytes. Nice. So this is just reset or what? Erase flash. Read configuration. Okay, so here's the info. Boot 1, boot 0. Okay. So, and our sequence would be, we need more. So I would need to modules. Firmware is a class. Parse blob add parser from URL. Okay. That's just parsing the URL, getting the blob data to be able to send it. Now, when do you do the transceiver? Okay. Open data bits, flow control. Okay. Port readable. What is hash? Is this just what does that mean? Is this just a letter, or does it have a specific meaning in TypeScript? Or yeah, that must be TypeScript because JavaScript doesn't support classes. Oh, it's so hot in here. The heating is killing me. Very dry. Stop offset. Receive, transmit packet, write packet, transmit packet. We need to add the sequence. So I didn't explain it maybe. So it says we need to set boot 0 to 1 and boot 1 to 0. So we need to do the sequence DTR1 RTS 0, then DTR 0 RTS 1, and then it will be reset. So transmit packet, I would need to find everywhere transceiver. Okay, utility, session response, session devices, command, flash write, identify, okay. Control Shift F. Oh wait. Wait, no. Command type identify. I like how it's written though. That's just utilities transceiver. I will just configuration option bytes, ports format. How does it look like? I would need like a button first. Does it open? I'm wondering if this would open it directly. If I select, no, that's option bytes. Device list, select here. That's what I wanted. That's the device list. What does it do? Okay, that's the front and the back end. Control F. Populate. Event listener, click, change. No. Add event listener. It doesn't do anything there, so I just wanted to check if it does any action. It will only read config actions. Okay. All right. Wait, I will add a button. Here, I will add a button to reset. RTS DTR. DTR RTS, okay. Oh wait, this is not the description. It's the okay. Reset configurate style. Wait. Background image. Yeah, I don't need background image. Why is it? Alright, okay, it's never read, that's why. Oh, wow. What is this? Session. Oh wow, alright. This is high-end code. I'm really impressed. A little bit over-engineered for such a simple tool, but probably a well-maintainable button state. Variant type. Session. Okay, session has all the stuff. Session identify. So we would need to modify session finally. Session and config write. Wait, this is wrong. Oh wait, it's enabling config write. Okay. So we should enable config read or what? Yeah, but we don't need that. That's okay. Sorry, I will close that so you can read better. So there is a transceiver, which is good. Okay, so we will just clone that and take whatever we need. So reset. Okay. Packet, comment, response. Yeah, I don't need either of those. Wait, maybe comment. Yeah. I don't need response. Or maybe we should just extend it does? Oh no, do reset, okay. Then we will change that. Session. Wait. No, it does the reset at the end. You know what? This is terrible. Because if it does a reset, a soft reset, we need to get in the bootloader again. Horrible. Ah, yeah, I don't want to mess around with the code right now. Ah, we should maybe. Whenever it's open a port, we can do that, yeah. Okay. I will save the changes here. You're right. We should do it in transceiver. It's not a bad idea, but once we do the soft reset, we need to redo the thing. So try await port open. Yeah, I'm sure because I invented or I just cloned the reset method. Yeah. Readable, wait. Await. It awaits for port to open. Spurious 0 byte as well. Yeah, I think also. Await. But then we need like a method. Data bits, no. Flow control. It's not flow control. What was the... It must be flow control. I think it was... Let's check again. Baud rate. Nope. Flow control. No, it's the same. Wait. Oh, where's the signals? Wait. Set signals? Where did you find that? Web serial. Let me check the doc. Here we go. Yeah. Set. Huh? Serial port. That's the serial port transceiver. Okay, here we go. Transport hard reset. Transport device. Set signals. Okay, this is how we do it. And we need to await sleep as well. We can just clone that. There is a sleep 250 and then we have a await promise. Okay, let's clone that. But I'm wondering why don't we get await this port. It's basically this device, I believe. Do it like that. I just need to check if it's actually that, because we need to okay, so basically 250. And now I need to check if that's actually doing what it's supposed to do. And I might want to put this on the reset as well. Like whenever I should put it here as a function. Hard reset. I will respect the coding style and put it there. Wait, hard reset. Okay. And then we can do the hard reset whenever we do something else. We can try to identify it at least. Is the chip smoking? Let me check. Oi, 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 it's quite hot. "93 degrees. The LDO. That's very hot. Maybe I put it in sleep. Or or hibernate. Update, no. I don't have, okay, yeah, let's shut down first. I give it a break before we do anything. You can cook some tea, it's a tea warmer. Can we test it somehow? Maybe we can test it with this. No, we can't test it with this, the reset, because that's not connected. Okay, let me check again. Hard reset. Will it run? Wait. Oh, tell me. How do I the 80? How do I do it? How do I block it? I'm stepping down from 3.3 volts to 1.8 volts. Yeah, that's good. That gets hot. It consumes 170 milliamps, and that's basically 0.2 watts for the small SOT 2, 3 to dissipate. We might need some active cooling there. The 18. Tell us what you had in mind. RST. Oh wait. Oh, that's reset. No, there is no on the Linky. There is no. Do I have a serial port? Serial device. Hey Juan, yeah, you were a little bit low. You're actually quite late because we assembled a complete new device. It's plugged in, it's recognized. Now we're trying to program it remotely. And I will check. I will get the firmware now. Which one is updated? Wait, what do we need to have? Intel Hex as record or ELF? Okay. Oh wait, that's on my Google Cloud. We can actually access it. I would also need to move. I would need to move over that project as well. How do I do it? Let's close that. Let's close that. And I will just move it to my cloud just for the testing so we can run it on the other PC. Where is it? Okay, I think I will just open a new code window. I moved it over to my cloud so we can run it from the cloud, and I think that the other PC will sync up as well. So we should be good. Maybe. Oh yeah, the sequence. We still want to check the sequence. The hard reset, if it's the sequence that we need. We need DTR1 RTS0. True. False. This is reset. Then switch instantly to DTR0 and RTS1. True. And then wait, no wait. No wait time in between. And then wait and then false. We could leave it there. So that might be optional. C80, that's a fancy method. All right. Actually, we could try it. I will turn it on again. Let's do it. It's cooled off a little bit. Maybe we'll glue on a heatsink on that thing. Oh no, Windows updates. The mini PC is, let me not spoil my serial number. It's a Mele Quieter 3C. It's already a few years old, but it can totally do anything without a single fan, and has even an extra updates on the way. See you in 8 hours. No, I hope it's quick. I hope we don't need to. Yeah, we will skip. That's, I don't know which variant it is. '81E. I don't know what it's. All right. That went better than expected. Oh, I hope I have Google Drive. Does it load still? Cloud Station? No. Is this? Here we go. Maybe I shouldn't show you all my files. So, oh no, I can't see. I need to show you all my files. Okay. Oh. Or at least move it over there. What is this? Code. Nothing hiding there. And we have huh? Why doesn't it show the devices? Maybe it's not synchronized yet. Wait, let's wait until everything is synchronized. It was probably not synchronized yet. No. Yeah. Wait! This keyboard doesn't have F11. What? Okay. Trick. What? Huh? Why was it blocked? It's local. File G my drive. What? But it is a virtual drive. Look at this. Huh? I mean that's actually a drive. What? Wait. File. For my own. What the fuck? Okay. What does he say about cores? JS module, okay. On a web server. Huh? But but then you can't use web serial. Huh? Huh? How do I host it? I have this. Is this a plug-in on my main PC? Because I can just host it. Okay, let's check web. HTTP. Which one do I have here? Ah. Yeah, you're right. I can host it here. Let me try that. And use the local address. No. Oh, fuck. What's the address? Hey, Adam. What's the address? Ah. That's the disadvantage of using Oh, really? I need to... Oh, wait, this is not the address. 17... 21... Fuck, where's... where is the Doppelpunkt? Ah, here. Yeah, Looniland hosts, but if it's, yeah, it's reachable. Get fave icon, here we go. Okay, apparently, yeah, this is the issue. If you run it not locally, then web serial doesn't work. That won't work. This is the disadvantage of using modules. You should just put everything in one JavaScript file and be good. Oh, really? Yes? Okay. Okay. I don't know where this... But I don't want to... Oh, fuck. Oh, why is this so shitty? This is like Kafkaesque. I hate it. Is this the paragraph HTTP? Hepatitis. There is no way we can do this like that. I think there is a serial updating app. Yeah, that's what I'm using right now. Nice. Fuck this. I'm done for today, peeps. Tired. You know what? I will try to upload the firmware using external wires, and then I will just test. Yeah, I can do all sorts of stuff and recompile my kernel. Thank you for helping me. I could host it, but I really don't want to host it every single time, like upload it to my web server or update it to my web server whenever I did a change in the code. It's like a national, international issue. Let me shut it down. I will add some wires to the back so we can upload some sort of like Blinky to it right now. I hope we can program it though and see if it resets. All right. That was bad. Whoa! Hey, tag with Oki. Thanks for the follow. Okay, let me remove that M.2. I will add some wires to the back, and I hope we can program it. All right. Okay. Why is this so yellow? What is this tint? Oh no. I hope this wasn't active all the time. How did that happen? Shit. I might throw away all my stuff now. Alright, we will need some wires. I will prepare. A few wires to attach to the back. They will be thin. Like that. We might want some length here. Why not? Why not some respectable length? Failure is not acceptable. Failure is the only way of learning things. Or discovery. You can interchange failure, the word failure, with discovery. I'm in the discovery mode right now. So this is magnet wire or enameled wire. I will get off a little bit of the insulation on the end, so it will be easier. If one will never fail, yeah, it came like this is work zone. This is from Aldi or something. Interchangeable. They have different shapes, but I don't know what the shapes do. They're all the same for me. If one breaks, I just replace it and then be good. Okay, so I will solder it. Just pre-tinning the ends. I scraped this one already. Can't find iron here. And the last one, I think, this side or this side. And this one. Okay. And I hope we will be able to set DTR and RTS and stuff. Oh no, my nice solder ball fell off. Okay, I think we respect the clearance. I will just get off the excess on the side. And this is how it looks like now. I might want to solder a header to the ends here, so I don't mix up stuff. I know. Yeah, I think I will do it. I will add a pin header to the end, so I can protect it with some tape. Okay. Yeah, that's silicone mat. You can get them in different sizes. I have two different sizes at home. One is here to the right, which is a bit smaller, and then I just bought a second one, which is bigger because I like it. I like it, Picasso. Okay. Maybe I should document a little bit. Yeah, these are the programming pins, and I will remove it once. Oh no, it's still liquid. I will remove it once we got the programming over serial right. Come on. Solidify already. Let's not flip those. It's annoying to watch even, I believe. Okay. This looks way better now. Okay. All right. Yeah. All right, now let's program it. we might need to shift everything to next week, to the next stream. I will just upload the Blinky, and then I think I'm done for today. It's already quite late. Alright. Just need to make sure that I don't flip it and screw up. Triple coated. I didn't know that there are more than one coats. Okay, here we go. It's connected. It probably won't program. I don't know how to. We don't have like an actual reset or anything. We can try to power cycle it and then. Okay, I will connect it here. All right. Oh wait, let's download. Yeah. Flash configuration. Nope. Yeah, I need to detach it, attach it again, whatever. Ay. Oh, I got it! Yes! It uploaded! It uploaded, but it doesn't boot now. Now I uploaded it with power cycling. Now we can plug it in and see if it's glowing or whatever. I hope the pins don't short anything here. Yes, yeah, I know. Okay. 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 There is enough space. Hold my breath, yeah. If it will blink, then we are good. Or we might need to reset RTS and DTR. Here, blow up incoming. Screen needs to be. What? Johnny! Oh, nice! Thank you for the subscription gifts. Peeps, grab the free gifts. Oh, we have a type train. Very generous. Very generous. Oh, wait. Okay, it's not blinking. Uh-oh, it's not blinking. Uh-oh. There should be. And I don't see anything blinking. What? Where did you blink? Where did you see blinking? Where did you see? I don't see any blinking here. Where? When? What sequence do I need to do? What is the sequence? Okay. Reset DTR and boot RTS. RTS needs to be clear. And this is the reset. Yes! Yeah! Yes! 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 My reset circuit! It does it! It does what it's supposed to do! Yeah! I will fix that programmer. Oh, it's not very strong, but that's all we wanted now. We wanted more, but I am fine with that. Peeps, thank you for joining. It was amazing. I will prepare the next stream. Not sure, probably not Monday. I'm sorry but Wednesday it will be. We will have a working matrix, I can tell you that. And we can program it in place here. We can program it there. That will be a coding stream. A coding stream, and looking at that, I can even glue on a small heatsink on that small thingy. Yeah, I can PWM it. I can PWM like 10 bits probably on this small matrix. Yes! Yes! I like it. I like it, Picasso. I like it. Blinky LED. There. Gute Nacht, everyone. Good night. Have a nice weekend. Thank you for the subs, for the follows, and I see you for a good stream. Success! Hype stream success! Oh, we got a reward. Thank you. Nice. Good night, everyone. Thank you, Johnny, for the upgrade on the pink LED font. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend. I see you next week. We assembled this on stream from scratch. And it's blinking. Thank you, everyone. Bye.